Most contractors I talk to are working 6 days a week and still wondering where all that money went. So you're booked, you're busy, your phone doesn't stop, but at the end of the month, the bank account tells a different story. That's not a hustle problem. That's a profit leak problem. So here's the hard truth. Most contractors have no idea which projects are making them money and which projects are quietly stealing it. For example, I met with the construction firm owner recently, $3 million a year in revenue, great reputation, tons of work. And when I asked him how profitable he was, he say around 15%. Very confident. So what we did, we set up a simple tracking system in QuickBooks. 2 weeks later, I sent him the report. He called me and he was kind of upset because one of his biggest projects, $180,000 contract that he was proud of, it was actually losing money. It was losing about $9,000 after labor, materials, and subs. He wasn't doing anything wrong. He just didn't have a system that told him the truth. That's the real problem. Most construction businesses run as one big pile of numbers. Revenue in, expenses out. Nobody really knows which project won and which project lost. So let me give you 3 steps to fix this. Step 1, give every project its own scoreboard. In QuickBooks, this is called a project. Every contract gets its own file, and every dollar you spend, whether it's labor, material, subs, permits, equipment rental, gets tagged to that project. So if you spend money because of that contract, it belongs there. This one change turns your books from a black box into a scoreboard. Step 2, review it every week, just 10 minutes. Open your project profitability report, sort by profit, and look at your bottom 3 projects and ask one question. Why is this project losing money? Usually it's one of 4 things. Either labor went over, materials were not tracked right, subcontractor added a scope, or you forgot to bill a change order. That's it. 10 minutes a week tells you more than most business owners know in a full year. Step 3, bill your change order every week, not at the end of the project, every week. This one change alone can recover tens of thousands of dollars a year because every time you do extra work and you don't bill it immediately, you're basically writing a check to your clients. So you need to stop donating your labor. Now, here are the 3 numbers to watch. Number 1, profit per project, not overall project, per project. This is the number that matters. If it suddenly drops, something changed. You need to go figure it out and fix it. Number 2, untagged spending. Every dollar that doesn't get tagged to a project is basically a dollar that you're flying blind on. Keep untagged spending under 2% of your total spending. Above that, your data is lying to you. Number 3, change order billing speed. Track how fast you're billing after the extra work is done. You need to target that under 7 days because slow billing creates fake losses. So here's the bottom line. I want to leave you with this. You don't need extra work. You don't need to be busier. You just need to know which projects are actually making you money and fix or drop the ones that aren't. One simple scoreboard, 10 minutes a week, and you'll see more profit without adding a single project to your schedule. That's not accounting, that's running a real business. And that's exactly what we do every day here, Fractional CFO Services. If you have any challenge, drop me a comment, let me know, and we're happy to talk to you, jump on a call or Zoom to discuss your challenges. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.
This has been another episode of our tax saving video series. If you enjoyed this video, please like it, subscribe below, and share with other business owners. You can find previous episodes and more information at www.bostacpa.com. Thanks for listening, and have a great day.